Hi everyone, welcome to Automate Dream Shop. Let us have the mock interview as of now. We have the one more candidate with us. Let us go ahead and proceed. Hi Judy, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. How about you?
Yeah, thanks. I'm so good. Okay, Judy. Actually, I'm about to record this mock interview. I'm going to publish in our channel, Automate Dream Shop. Is that fine for you?
Oh, yes, that's fine.
Okay. Okay, Jyoti. So I want you to tell about yourself, about your frameworks and what are the technologies you worked so far.
Okay, so fine. I'm Jothi from Tirupur. I completed a Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication Engineering. And just I'm very interested to work with an IT field. So I moved for seeking job. So I choose this opportunity, and I like to work with the automation testing. So I preferred work with the in framework like a TestNG and Cucumber BDD. Uh, and I know about the manual testing also. So just trying to do my best. That's it.
Okay, Jyoti. So you're saying like you're interested to be in part of an IT, right?
Yeah.
Okay. May I know because we do have a lot of the jobs in the world, but why you preferably go with the IT software and automation testing?
Okay. Because the depends on the project, we can out with the different environment. So I choose that it's make interesting to us. So we can achieve our goal by step with using our knowledge skills. So only I choose the IT field.
Okay, so you might be having the development, product support, lot of the technologies, even Java, .NET and all we do have. So why are you preferably
Okay.
going with the automation testing, Selenium with Java?
Yeah, because so many concerns are working with the Java. Basically 80% of concerns always work with the Java, and other skills can be easily obtained when we completed the Java. It very easy for us. So only I choosing Java.
Okay, fine. So could you tell me, like, we start from the manual testing. Could you share your
Oh,
screen and open the notepad, please?
yeah, sure.
Okay. So could you give me the you have been working which product you are much familiar with, Jyoti?
Product.
Yeah, which
Um,
one you are much familiar with?
uh, I'm familiar with an manual testing.
No, no, no. What I'm asking, like, so you are doing business now, right?
Okay.
Correct. If I'm not wrong, you are doing some business, right? Kind of
Yeah,
an
yeah.
governments, right? Okay. So consider a customer is approaching you. Okay.
Mm,
They are approaching and asking you to go for a school uniform. Okay. Now
okay.
tell me, like, what are the negative scenarios you will cover in the test cases? Only negative. They are giving the school uniform to you of the 500
Okay.
units. Okay. Now you are going to cover only the negative scenario and corner cases.
Okay. Mm,
You can list down. There's no nothing,
yeah.
nothing but like that you want to put the serial number, expected result and all. You just line by line, you just write it. What are the negative you will feel like that?
Okay. Um.
You can think and write it, no issues. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this is fine.
Okay.
Okay, so the it may come into the stitching problem. Okay, size problems. Okay, insufficient clothes. Okay, what is the insufficient clothes? So why it could be? Because it is from your product, right? You should get to know,
Yeah.
right? Hmm.
Okay. Because of if any cutting masters make a mistake means the cloth will lose the size of the cloth. So only I put that problem.
Okay, so if you are going to deliver this test case to validate to the customer, they might be
Okay.
coming like because okay, it is only the one stitch. There is some stitching issue. We can say they say some size issue. That is all fine. But if the
Okay.
customer doesn't take the responsibilities, if there is an insufficient close, whatever you are saying,
Yeah.
that is all happens internally. But
Yeah.
when you're attempting to give your test cases to the customer, when he tries to validate this, but what you say to the
Mm.
customer, please wear it and check it whether everything is all right, like that, we will say, right? That is what
Yeah.
the negativeness we will say. So what happens like insufficient close, it should come from the your part. So
Yes.
client should not want to take that responsibility. Correct?
Yes. Correct.
Okay. And availability of the machines and manpower, it's also depends on you. I can understand because
Yeah.
even the machine, whatever you are saying, the machine and the manpower, it's all comes into the internal part. You
Yeah.
we can cover this test cases. I'm not saying like you should not cover this test case. You can cover it,
Mm.
but what
Mm.
happens like if client wants to validate this test case, you should not do like that.
Okay.
Time period, okay. Comfortability to wear or use a delivery, okay, it's fine. Okay, could you tell me like what is the difference between sanity and regression?
Okay, sir. In a regression testing, we have to fix the bug. The it will give any um, disturbance to other functionalities near the bug. So we have to check out by using this regression test.
Okay. Could you give me the example with this your test case itself? What are the things you'll cover under the sanity out of this six?
Insanity.
Yes.
Sanity testing is nothing but after complete the project, we have any bug means it's a major issue. We have to solve that. So we need to test the all test cases like major test cases. So we using the type of smoke testing in a sanity test.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Comes into the Java part. Could you tell me like what is the use of tree map?
Tree map.
Yeah.
We have to give an input. We have the output in the ascending order means we use the tree map.
Could you give me the add only one value and give me the output in Eclipse?
Yes, sure.
Jyoti, I think you can do it something in the existing file itself. Under the make my
Yeah,
trip,
okay.
you create your own Java and do it.
Okay.
You can find in the package explorer launch.java is there, no? Mm-mm. That package in the left hand side, Jyoti.
Yeah.
In make my trip package is there, no? Right click, select the make my trip, new class. Just put test,
Mm.
put test.
Sorry, can't understand, sir.
You just put the test name. Type test. Mm. Uh, Cancel it, Jyoti. Click on the select on the make my trip in the left hand side. Select the make my trip. Yeah, select, right click, new class. Now you
Okay.
give the test and right.
Can I execute this?
Yeah, please go ahead, Jyoti. Mm. Okay, so I have an some question on this. Do we allow null over here?
Yeah.
Do we
Huh?
allow null?
Yeah.
Is
Three
null
null.
is allowed?
Mm, name.
Check na. Do we allow null?
No. I think no, sir.
No. Okay,
If
so
it's
let's try.
yeah, you never give a duplicate or null value.
Okay, let's try.
Okay.
Mm. You passed
Sir.
null as a value or key.
Okay, sir.
Instead of 90, you put null, Jyoti.
Okay. For a key.
Mm.
Sir.
Okay, so we are not allowing the null, right?
Yes. Yeah.
We are handling that. We are getting the null pointer exception. So I ask you to handle this null pointer exception. How do you do?
By using exception handling, sir.
Okay, so what is the way?
Mm, by using a try catch.
Okay, super. Okay, comes into
Mm,
the selenium part. So could you tell me like what is the use of fluent weight?
doing to it.
Yeah.
Um, okay. For a print, right? Not the implicit and explicit.
Mm,
For a time period for set the such web element becomes visible. I think that
mm.
time period, the time delay for what kind of web element you have to visible. We just wait for the time is known as fluent.
Okay. I don't think so that will, because every time the element should be get weighted in implicit as well as explicit. Even explicit
Yeah,
you could able to wait till element to be visible, right?
yeah, right.
Then why are we using the fluent weight in this condition?
Mm, uh, I think the driver will the driver wait for to visible the searching element. When it could produce no such element, no visible, means the wait have to
Okay. Okay, it's fine. So could you tell me like which framework you are comfortable with, TestNG or Cucumber BDD?
test and
Okay. I want to execute the test cases more than 10 times. What is the navigation count you'll use? What is the things you'll use? Annotation.
I use convection count.
Okay.
Innovation. Inno-
Navigation count. I itself told the answer, it seems. Okay. Uh, okay, tell me like what is the use of pom.xml?
Form.xml. We have to using other any test store. We have to um, put the jar with that project. So we have in a form.xml. Uh, the project will operate with the use of Selenium or TestNG. We have to copy the jar of that. Um,
Mm. For replacing the jar, or you are integrating the jar there?
not a replacer, just integrate the jar.
Okay. Okay. It's done from my end. So do you have any questions?
Also.
Okay, Jyoti. So actually, let me share the feedback as well here. So whatever you're sharing, right? So whatever you're telling like about the coding. So those things and all, you always you have in the collections you have to know like
Don't understand, sir. Sorry.
no, in the whenever you are going for an collections, you should know the
Okay.
concept of null pointer and duplicate, and because
Okay.
in order to notify like whether it has been synchronized or not, we have to know. That's
Okay.
what we have to do that. That is an
Okay.
important, Jyoti. So that we have to do.
Okay.
And one more thing, like so whatever we are opposing, see when you are started writing the test case, I told you no Jyoti, this is a client expectation, but what you have to say, we can't write the test case for internally as well as externally,
Okay.
right? So always we have one test case format wherever you also have in that and you're giving to them. So as a tester, you always stand by your point, whatever you are possessing on it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, Jyoti. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.